Hey there, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel, the place where we troubleshoot, simplify, and solve all your tech challenges. Today, we're diving into a frustrating issue that some of you might be having with installing Windows 11 in a virtual machine. In this video, we'll go step by step to identify the problem, troubleshoot it, and get you on your way in enjoying Windows 11 in a virtual machine. I know installation issues can be super frustrating, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll either have Windows 11 installed or at least know exactly what's blocking the way and how to fix it. Here's what we'll cover today: downloading Windows 11 Pro, installation error, solution, and in the end, we'll have the conclusion. In order to get the installation file for Windows 11, the ISO image, you have to go on Microsoft.com, click on the download link, scroll a little bit below in order to find the ISO image, select the multi-version and download now. After a few seconds, you have to choose the product language in which you want to install the image. Confirm, wait a few seconds, and then you receive the download link which is available for you. Open Hyper-V on your local computer, create new virtual machine. Next, give a name of the machine, click Next, choose generation 1 in order to make sure that the OS will install. Provide some memory, I would go with 8 gigabytes. Select your network card, select the VHDX which will be created, and it has 127 gigabytes, and then select the ISO image for the installation that you downloaded from Microsoft. Finish and create the machine on your Hyper-V. Click Connect and open the machine and start it. The process will take a few seconds. Select next on the language settings, select next on the keyboard, agree with the license, and in case you have a product key, enter it there, but we don't have it at the moment. And we click next, click on the 11 Pro, and you see the error that appears that PC does not meet the current. The next step, restart the installation, but before you click next, press Shift F10 and you go open a command prompt, and you have to insert there and you have to write there regedit. In registry, we have to create a few keys which are required for the check to be overwritten by the installation procedure. In HQ local machine system setup, create a key called labconfig. Within the labconfig key, create a dword 32 with the value bypass secure boot, with the value bypass secure boot check and the value of 1. Create a second entry with the value of bypass TPM check and provide it 1, the value of 1, and another key called bypass CPU check, again with the value of 1. And the last, another key with the value of bypass RAM check, and again provide it value of 1. Then go back to the installation and go to the same process that you went before. We don't have a product key. Let's see if we get an error message like we did last time. We click on Windows 11 Pro, and now the installation procedure, and we can see that the installation has started. We can select the disk and we can install Windows 11 in our virtual machine. And there you have it, folks. I hope this guide helped you fix your frustrating Windows installation issue and got you back on track. Remember, tech problems can be tricky, but with a little patience and the right steps, there's always a solution. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might be facing the same issue. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. Got questions or run into another problem? Drop a comment below, I'd love to help out. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.